Okay. So capital market means what, children? Very good morning. Capital market is the market for long-term funds. Okay. And we had already explained in the capital market, there are three types of market: bond market, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड मार्केट, कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड मार्केट एंड इक्विटी मार्केट. ये सब हो गया. BSc, NSc, I told you, and I had also told you that when BSc was set up, are you remembering? That can be asked. No, that's a good question. When BSc was set up, याद है या नहीं? I cannot see your answer. Very old stock exchange of India. (1875). This can be asked for objective. I am writing this side. BSc has been set up. Okay. Then NSc has been set up. NSc was set up in 1992, but become operational in 94. And I told you both the exchanges are in Mumbai. This we have already discussed. Now, OTCI also I told you. Over the counter exchange of India. Full form can be asked. OTCI was set up in 1992. Okay, we are just either it is given. There is National Security Clearing Corporation. This was set up in 1996. What do you mean by National Securities and Clearing Corporation? We know that we are buying the shares and we are selling the shares. Okay, so we give the money when we buy the share, we get the money when we sell the share. So the stocks have to be exchanged. When we buy, we get the share. When we sell, we give away the shares. So that buying and selling is happening through NSCL. National Securities Clearing Corporation, NSCL. Okay, and it is guaranteeing all the trades. And there is derivative trading system. Children, this is what we were explaining on that day. What do you mean by derivative trading? Derivative trading means it is known as future and option. It is known as future and option. It is also known as F&O. Future and option. Children, be careful. There is derivative trading in the market and it is known as future and option. I told you what is future and option. That is what we are going to explain. F&O segment is very, very important nowadays. F&O segment. There are two segments in equity market. One is the cash segment. Okay, where you and myself can buy the shares. Other is the F&O segment. F stands for future, O stands for option. Even here also we can participate. Here, this F&O segment is known as derivative trading. And there are 4 derivative products in the market. There are 4 derivative products in the market. They are stock option, stock future, index option, index future. That F and O. One is stock option. Okay, that F and O ka option. Then future. F, stock option, stock future, index option, index future. Okay, so this is known as stock option, stock future, index option, and index future. Either what do? Here we deal with stocks, individual stocks. Here we deal with index. Children, stock option means we are dealing with the stocks. For example, today, I hope you know 18th. Let us assume if it is 18th October, okay, the price of Reliance share is 2,400 rupees. It is around 2,600 rupees. Okay, so what is stock option? I am thinking that within a month, that means by 17th November, price of Reliance will go up to 2,900. This is my thinking. 2,600 is the price of Reliance. It will go up to 2,900. So what is happening is, I am assuming that 17th November, Reliance ka price will be 2,900. So this is a future, because I am not sure. It may go up, it may come down. About the future, I am calculating. That is known as the stock option. So मैं क्या करेगा? Future market में I will buy Reliance today. In the future market, I will be purchasing Reliance today with an option. What is my option? That is the stock option. With the option of selling this Reliance on or before 17th November. That is known as stock option. This is what is my thinking. So you are saying that, Madam, mera thinking aisa nahi hai. Okay, what is your thinking? Today, Reliance ka stock price is 2,600. You are thinking that 17th November, Reliance ka stock price will be 2,300. नीचे आएगा. This is what is your thinking. आपका thinking right है या मेरा thinking right है? We do not know. It is future. लेकिन आप क्या करेगा? You will sell Reliance in the future market today because 2,600 you will sell, and you will buy this option in 17th November. 17th November का option आप खरीदेगा. मैं क्या करेगा? I will sell that option. So there are two options. Buy करने का भी option है, sell करने का भी option है. Okay. Stock option is stock future. I told you that is future is that only. We are talking about the stock future. Similar manner, I can also buy and sell index, BSE index, NSE index. I will explain this index little later. What is index? I am going to explain. Okay, index consisting of group of shares. That is the meaning of index. So children, derivative trading means it is known as future and option. Derivative trading में future के बारे में, option के बारे में, we can deal with it. That is known as derivative trading. Okay. I'm just adding one or two more points. For that, what I should do is, can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. I'm just stopping this because I wanted to add 2 slides. That's the only reason. I'll just come back. I am doing it. Give me, I'll just add 2 slides. Yeah. I hope again you can see the screen. Can you confirm?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see. Okay, no problem. Now can you see?
Yes.
Very good. I am just adding in order to explain the stock further, you should know certain things. In India, we follow screen-based trading. I will share you the notes of this also. What do you mean by screen-based trading? This has been modernized in 1990s. Okay, screen-based trading means today ka stock exchange ka every trade is electronically controlled. Electronically controlled. What is the meaning, children? Suppose that I am purchasing a share. I do not have at present the same time or by the evening I get an information, I get an intimation. What is the intimation? At what time, what hour, what minute mera trading hua. I told you I am buying 1 share of Reliance. आप पूछेगा मैडम ऐसा एक शेयर ले सकते हैं? Yes, I am buying 1 share of Reliance. Market opens at 9:15. Okay, ends at 3:30. So I purchased Reliance at 9:18. I get that intimation. That time I told you Reliance ka share price was 2615. 9:18 को. Then मैं भूल ही गया. थोड़ा टाइम के बाद after completing my work and all, around 2 o'clock मैंने देखा Reliance का share price is 2640. देखो मैंने purchase किया 2615 में, same day 2 o'clock इसका share price है 2640. मैं क्या करेगा? I will sell this share. मेरे पास मैंने इधर एग्जाम्पल 1 शेयर लिया, but I am telling you 100 शेयर लिया. When I am selling this 100 share, same day में आप देखो मेरा प्रॉफिट कितना है? 2640 minus 2615. 25 rupees per शेयर मेरा प्रॉफिट है. मेरे पास कितने शेयर है? 100 शेयर है. So मेरा प्रॉफिट है 2500. स्क्रीन बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग का एडवांटेज यही है. I can see at minute and second ma'am how the price is changing and I will get the intimation. That is the meaning of screen-based sharing. Okay. Why? What is the advantage of screen-based sharing, children? It is improving operational efficiency. Somebody is calling. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. 1 minute. Okay, so what is happening is this is improving the operational efficiency. Operational efficiency. Why? 10 साल पहले नहीं तो 15 साल पहले I could not see this. I know that 18th October I had purchased the share. I do not know the time. Okay, today I know the time, minute, second. Okay, everything is known to me. So accurate is the market today. That is the advantage. Okay, so we are getting full information about the market. Full information. So there is so much transparency in the market. Children, I hope you are understanding. There is the full information in the about the market. Then good. Then there is demat of, or we will call dematerialization of shares. Dematerialization of shares. Dematerialization of shares. Children, are you aware what you mean by demat? Are you aware about it? डीमैट के बारे में सुना है या नहीं? Very good. Shandanu is a good boy. Shandanu has heard it. What about others? Are you aware about demat? Do you have demat account? Otherwise, open the demat account. Okay. Children, what is the advantage? Demat account means how you are opening the saving bank account. Similar manner, you open a demat account. You will ask the question, madam, where we will open. You can open that with any of the public sector banks. They are all dealing with the shares. Or you can deal with, you can open it with the brokers. Okay. That is the demat. What is the advantage? When I buy the share, okay, when I buy the share, within 2 days, the share will be credited to my account, demat account. When I sell the share within 2 days, the share will be debited from my account. And you can see the demat through the online. So it is just like the saving bank account. How do you see saving bank account may your money, whether you have withdrawn or you have deposited? Similar manner in demat account, you can see whether you have bought the share or whether you have sold the share. Okay, both the advantages are there. That is the advantage of dematerialization of shares, demutualization of shares. Okay, that is the advantage. So, did you understand, children, what is demat account? So, okay, demat account means I told you, you will be opening a demat account in the bank or with the broker. Today's world, in order to buy the share, it is very essential that you should be having the demat. That means your share will be electronically transferred. Okay. Your share will be electronically transferred. That is the advantage. So that you won't get the physical copy of the share. It will be reflected in your demat account. Okay, so that it is very transparent. That is the advantage of it. It is very, very transparent. I hope you are understanding it. And there is central depository system. Next point is, I will share these notes. There is central depository system. What do you mean by central depository system? Central depository system is something like a commercial bank. Okay. This central depository system, CDSL, Central Depository Security Limited. Okay, the central CDSL means, all your shares, what you buy, what you sell, it is controlled by CDSL. And इस CDSL आपका डीमैट में आप खरीदने पर क्रेडिट मिलेगा, आप सेल करने पर डेबिट देगा. So the depository system is actually keeping your shares. They are controlling your shares. Central depository system. Okay, it is transferring the share. It is transferring the share. Whether I buy or sell, it is possible only through central depository system. There are two depository system here. One is CDSL, another is NSDL. Okay, there are two. You can prefer whichever you want. CDSL and NDSL. What is that, children? Central Depository System, National Security Depository System. Both are controlled by government. Okay, so when we are able to manage, you can choose whatever you want, and they will control all your shares. It is just like Reserve Bank. They are managing. So they know that what shares you are buying, what shares you are selling. Okay, children. That is the advantage of CDSL. Nowadays, you are aware that FIIs are also allowed to play in the equity market. What is FIIs, children? Foreign institutional investment or investors. Foreign institutional investment. Earlier, share market meant foreigners were not allowed to operate. Today, foreign institutions are allowed to operate. And some of you who is having the knowledge, you know about that. Now, BSE is touching 61,000. Okay, NSE is 18,000 plus. This is the Sensex. This is the indicator. How we will say you are having temperature of 93.5, 96.5, like that. We are measuring the stock exchanges, BSE as well as NSE. So they are increasing like anything. What is the reason? Because our market is now mainly controlled by FIIs. They are buying the shares in bulk. आप और मैं maximum 100 share लेगा, but they will be buying lakhs of shares. So when they are buying lakhs of shares, automatically the share price will go up. When they are selling lakhs of shares, automatically share price will come down. Okay. Then you will ask the question, madam, why they are buying the shares from the Indian market? They are buying the shares from the Indian market because today India is giving one of the best returns in the world. Indian stock market is giving the best returns in the world. So what do? These FIIs, they borrow from the American market. They borrow from the American. So why they are borrowing from the American market? Because American market में rate of interest is very less. That is 2 to 3%. So वो market से they will borrow or they will collect the money from American market and they will invest in the Indian market. Indian market, they are getting 20 to 100% return. That is the reason they're all coming to India. Huge investment opportunities are existing in India. And that is pushing the Sensex up. That is pushing the Nifty up. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, children.